This is the January 2018 ESR kit. So if you sign up to become an educational services representative with Usborne, this is the package that you get. Books are not an escape from life, but a shortcut to a better one. Oh my gosh, how cute. I'm gonna put that in my office. It's a white piece of paper. Oh, look at this. It says Usborne Books More, educational services representative. Oh wow, this is really nice. It's something obviously that you can take with you when you go speak to different schools. And then here's what else it comes with. This is a library bound version of Llamas in Pajamas. It's one of our phonics readers. So that just means that the cover's a bit different. It's hard, or hardcover. And the pages are a little bit thicker too. Perfect for libraries. Awesome. So you can use this as an example when you go to meet with different schools. And then we got this library cataloging products. So let's see. And then here's the educational services catalogs. So you get, how many? You get 5 different educational services catalogs. You get the educational services, the little flyers. These are also available. Well, actually everything is available in Order Pro, I believe. Here's a flyer about Cards for the Cause fundraisers, about our 50% matching grants, and our Reach for the Stars program. And this is laminated. The libraries will know what to do with that. One of our $5 favorites, one of our reading sets. What I would recommend that you do is get these laminated. Sorry, ambulance going by. That's Orlando for you. I'm definitely going to laminate these and keep these so I can just kind of show them to my schools and then purchase extras. So this is an educational services kit. Let me know if you have any questions.